Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, we are going to learn two options with color picker. So here is two shapes available. Let's select this shape and from this toolbar click on color picker tool. So two options here apply to selection and magnification. So what is actually magnification? We are going to take a look at this option first. As you can see, if I move my pointer anywhere on the artboard, outside the artboard, you can see this magnification. So I'm going to uncheck this option. Now I cannot see this. Even you can use this up here as well on the title. If I click, so automatically it's going to apply the color to the selected object. So the second option is apply to selection. If I'm going to uncheck this option and click here, so it's not going to apply the color to the selected object. If I'm going to check this again, now it's going to apply. Click here, automatically it's going to apply the color to the selected object. So this is how we can use these two options with color picker, which is applied to selection and magnification. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.